Hello lovely, this is the last video of our collab. I've been collabing with Celeste Rochelle over at Magnolia and it's been amazing, it's been fun, it's been so much fun working with Celeste. She's so amazing and this is our last video, but don't worry because we've been secretly planning other things for the future, so this won't be the last that you see us do something, have our shops do something together. We're using her planner sticker kit for the week of Thanksgiving, which is super awesome. I'm so thankful for so many things. I'm thankful for you, first of all, for watching this video. I honestly couldn't do this without you. And I really love the way her kit turned out in my planner, so keep watching and you'll see how I use her sticker kit to plan. Yay! Okay. As usual, if you have been around, you know that I like to start at the top of my planner and work my way down. If you're new here and this is your first plan with me, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the new videos that we're putting out. Next is going to be the log cabin sticker kit. So excited. So, putting down the headers first, and they come in these gorgeous fall colors. It's so pretty. Everything's just so pretty. I know I'm kind of gushing over her kit, but I'm just gonna gush because I can. And I put down the Happy Thanksgiving on Thursday. I felt like that was a pretty important box to place before I place anything else because that's why I'm using the sticker kit, is for Thanksgiving week. Yay! And moving on to place the rest of the full boxes along the top, and also placing the to-do headers on this side as well. I do like to have my headers match throughout the top to bottom of the planner. You can see the one I did for Monday's column has that nice pinky color, the next one has that creamy color, the brownish color, next is the green because the full box is green, and I like things to coordinate, so we're coordinating. One thing that I keep getting a question about on Instagram, or just people asking me, okay, I watched your plan with me video, but where do I get the planner? I'm currently sold out of the planner, but it'll come back just for Black Friday, and those will be the last planners that I make for the rest of the year. So if you are interested in those, make sure to click the link in the description box to get yours, or to reserve your spot in my Black Friday sale, because if you don't, then there's a chance they will sell out. I know I've had people already asking, like, okay, I need to know exactly when this happens, so they're on my email list and they're gonna get it first. If they buy before the public can see them, then they're gone. Okay, so placing the rest of the headers, and I decided on this side because she doesn't do 7 today headers or to-do headers. I used the plain or blank headers instead on the right side of my planner, because in the lovely planner here you only have 3 days on the right side. So I did use that scene, the little tabletop scene, on Saturday and Sunday, and put more little pumpkins on Friday. And moving on, as we plan, using the check boxes that coordinate with the headers. I know, surprise, surprise, but that's what we're doing. And moving right along, placing the check boxes, check boxes. Say that 5 times fast. You're probably a lot more skilled than I am, so you will be able to say it 5 times fast. But I know one thing I do like is checking off a good list. Some of her check boxes do have patterns in the back. They're not just a solid ombre, so you do have a lot of fun or freedom as far as what style you want to use for your check boxes. Place and remember stickers down there. That'll probably be what I use for my job because we have to prep some things before we go for Thanksgiving. And we have a lot to do. So when I say my job, for my 9 to 5 and for the sticker business, so there's just a lot that needs to get done next week, but I do it all for you. We do it all for you. We go to work for 8 hours, come home, make some stickers, make some planners, and put them all on the website, and just have a lot of fun, because it is a lot of fun and I do enjoy it. So when my sticker cutter works, because there are times when my sticker cutter decides not to work, On to the bottom washi. So this part of the plan with me is where Lady places the bottom washi at the bottom of her planner. Anyway, it is fun. It's kind of monumentous. Not really, but I feel like the bottom washi just brings the whole spread together, and it kind of shows the designer's personality as well, kind of what pattern they enjoyed so much that they wanted it to take up the entire bottom of the planner. Really special if you think about it. The next part, my camera died, so I did end up placing the weekend sticker over the weekend, kind of half off the bottom washi, and place little icon stickers in a half box. I do like to plan on Sundays, so I put that little plan, the text that says plan with a little planner, so cute, and a little trash sticker on Sunday as well, placing some arrows and some deco, just having so much fun putting different stickers around the planner. I did have a bunch of stickers left over, so if you are a no white space planner, you are gonna have a lot of fun with the sticker kit. It's just so pretty. Okay, we're continuing now with the sidebar of the planner. It's kind of the place that I like to use as, hey, all these things need to get done this week. Not necessarily on a specific day, but they need to get done. Or tracking different habits. Like right now, I'm not getting enough water every day, so my goal that I've set for myself is to drink more water. I know that's super simple, but I do struggle with drinking water, and the sticker I'm placing now is what I use to track, to make sure, yes, Monday I hit that goal of drinking my 8 to 10 cups of water. Tuesday, yes. And then if I miss a day, then I say, okay, I missed one day last week, let's do better this week. Just a lot of fun to, just track yourself and see how you progress. So thank you for watching this video. Head over to the video that Celeste did using the sticker kit. It is her design, her inspiration, her beautiful mind created this sticker kit. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below.